Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you guys, give you guys a quick video on how to solve the window brightness. Most of new user or laptop that operating on Windows, there are some problems like brightness. Like my laptop here, there is a problem of brightness that I'm going to make a video of how to solve it together. Now we're going to open to the file explorer, and then we click on this computer, this PC, and click the right clicks to them, and then click on the word manage, and after that you see it will pop up. Okay, the computer management, and we click on the word device managers, and right here we can see a lot of like audio output, input, battery, Bluetooth, computer, anything. But here we going to solve the problem of the brightness, so we click on the display adapter. Okay, and then we click our right part of our mouse, click like that, and click on the word update. Okay, and then we choose browse my computer for driver software. We are not search for update online, we search for the second one, browse my computer for driver software, and then click on it. And we don't browse from any other, we check from the existing one. So let me pick it from a list of available driver on my computer. Okay, so we click on it, and basically we click on the word Microsoft Basic Display Adapter right here. Okay, and then we click on next. See, so our problem is solved, right? So everyone, you can do it. It's very easy and very quick. Everyone can do it. See through this video, and then you can do it. Hope you can learn it, guys. See you for the next video. Bye bye.